Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. This client right here has a head full of quarantine hair growth. And if you don't know what I mean by quarantine hair growth, then that means you have a coconut head. I'm only joking, guys. It's okay if you don't know, because a lot of us was in quarantine and our hair wasn't growing at all. A lot of us ended up with a lot of grays instead of growth because we were so stressed out that this was gonna be the end of the world. But anyways, I am just going to freestyle something really nice for this client. I had something else planned in mind before I came here because I thought his hair was longer than this. But his hair is actually shorter than it looks. And once I start to section his hair out, I realized that he has very thick hair and hence why it looks longer than it is. So this hairstyle is quite simple. I am recording the entire thing for you guys to see everything from start to finish. To all the guys on my channel right now who came out of quarantine with a head full of hair, I call it the quarantine hair growth. And I've decided to start a new hair journey. Big up on yourself, you don't know, up. You guys are actually on a protest against the barbers. You know that, right? Can you imagine all the barbers who came out of quarantine thinking that there's gonna be a big queue outside the barbershop? But instead, they're sitting in their own chairs right now, wondering if you guys know that the lockdown is actually over. Did you guys get the memo? Do you know that we're not in lockdown anymore? Yeah, barbershops are open, hairdressers are open. Don't leave them hanging, please. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm feeling it for some barbers and their careers right now. Because it's not just about the people who's on a new hair journey, but a lot of people who was in quarantine, and I'm talking about both men and women, have learned how to shave themselves and every member of their household. For example, my client right here, his mother has been shaving the sides of his head, and now she don't feel like she needs a barber anymore because she's becoming really good at it and she's saving money at the same time. Even my husband right now has become our son's barber. After his first experience of shaving our son's hair, he feels like it's not even just about saving money, but having that personal connection where he can call his son at any time and give him a fresh look without all the fussing and waiting at the barbershop for most of the day. You know what I mean? And that makes him feel good as a father. But anyways, for some of you guys who miss being at the barbers, you miss the conversations and having a drink with your barber, you can always just pop in for a shape up once in a while, say hello to your barbers, let them know it's not the end of the road. But anyways, I hope you're liking the hairstyle so far. I know that some of you can't really tell what I am doing right now because of how I started braiding, but I am using a beginner method to help beginners to achieve the right composition and balance. So please continue watching till the end. Some of you might be surprised. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment down below. Also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to stay updated with this channel. And finally, hit that subscribe button. Bye bye for now, and I hope to see you guys on my next premiere.